Ever seen a railway station that is usually bustling with activity and people partially closed? Take a look at the station which is partially closed for renovation work in the tunnel in the nearby area to avoid danger and mishaps to the passengers in the trains. Guess the station and perhaps you would get a free visit to it. Station completely closed for repair works in the nearby tunnel of a nearby hillock. The hillock that you see in the background there at a far off distance is where the tunnel is requiring repairs. You must have heard about ghost towns. This is one rare occasion where you can see a ghost station, where usually at this time is bustling with people and activity. But since repairs are to be undertaken to a nearby tunnel to avoid danger to the trains and passengers, not a single person can be found, and thus the station has become a ghost station. Even the officers, station managers, station masters are all happily involved in the works and outside the station. Please write if you know the stations in the comments below, the name of the station in the comment below, and be featured for a surprise outcome. Thank you. Good day.